So now we need to focus on getting these hinges disconnected. We put it this way, make sure the cables aren't failing the screen. And we've got 2 screws either side of the hinge assembly that need to come off to detach the main body. Okay, so holding it tight, I'm going to flip it over. Make sure the encoders are hanging over there. And then this should remove the actual back plate for your screen. We can now focus on taking the screen apart. So we're now faced with actually taking the screen assembly apart as a whole. There are some important things to note here. We must make sure we note that all of these internal screws, which have a round recessed area, they are longer screws as compared to these outer countersink ones. But just as a reminder, we will just put some of this low tack tape down, and we're just going to mark all of these so we don't forget, because there are now a lot of screws hovering around, and it's going to get very confusing. We don't know which screw is what. I'm going to write long only. There, foolproof. Okay, so I've made a little box with long and short, so I can put the long ones into the correct place. So that's all the long screws out. Now we do the short ones. Of which there are many. So that's all the screws removed. Just have a quick check. So there are screws as well at the side. If I just turn that around so you can see, they're just here. So all of those will have to be removed, both sides. So it's a good point here to check and see which size screw. So that's going to be the larger ones as well. Okay, just holding that, and then this panel should come off. And there are left and right variants of this, so they'll only go on one way. And that's the other one off as well, if you can see. So let's see where we're at. Okay, so gently take that off, make sure nothing's attached. And that is the back cover, if you like, of the screen off.